Hi everyone, it's Karen here. Welcome to my channel. A few days ago, a client reached out to me asking for a custom 4-stone bracelet for her husband. She sent me a reference photo and mentioned that the bracelet should include Citrine, Tiger Eye, Pyrite, and Aventurine. However, she was a little unsure about the authenticity of the Citrine in the photo, so I stepped in to help. If you are curious about how to spot real versus fake citrine, check out the link below in the description. And luckily, I was able to source the silver Chinese coin bead she wanted, just like the one in the reference photo. But then I choose quality stones like top quality green Aventurine, very nice color, and very well polished gold pyrite beads, and top grade brown tiger eye, and of course, high quality natural citrine. All beads are around 12 mm and the bracelet will be sized to about 8 inches as requested. Now, let me lay out the design. This combination of 4 healing stones is believed to attract wealth and abundance. Citrine for wealth, and brown tiger eye for focus, pyrite for opportunity, green Aventurine for luck. With this pure silver coin bead that symbolizes money flow. So these 5 elements work in perfect harmony and unlock financial abundance and attract success in both career and prosperity. For the stringing part, I will be using 4 strands of 0.8 mm golden elastic cord, the flat one. And why choose golden? Because it's the color of wealth. And cut about 42 inches. Fold it in a half and a half. Like this. And the open end needle. Time to start beading. Start with brown tiger eye. And then citrine. Chinese coin bead. Green Aventurine. And then gold pyrite. And always measure the resize again. Not even close to 8 inches. So I will add 1 more pyrite and 1 more tiger eye. Now it's a perfect size. Take out the needle. See 2 loops here. Thread this loop from your left side and then go through the 2 loops and pull all the beads down to the 2 loops. Now tie 2 knots, 1 and 2. Don't pull it too hard, use gentle pressure. And before cutting the cords, leave a little bit excess cords like this. Now tuck it into one of the bead hole and it's done. Beautifully done. How do you like this bracelet? Let me know in the comment below, and I hope you enjoyed the video today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.